In this video, we will describe the Remote Shack Transmit Menu Number 4. Transmit Menu Number 4 supports transmit via DTMF with keys 1 and 0 to turn the transmitter off. Also on keys 3, you can turn the Vox on with 0 to turn the Vox off once again. Speech compressor is on and off is supported on key 2. 4, tone on. 5 can set the split on. 6 can control the amp on or off if your radio supports it. The TS2000 has an internal to its menus, has the capability of controlling a relay internally to turn the amp on and off. We support that. Also on key 7, you can set up your actual tone frequency with 2 more digits after the 7. On key 8, you can support your shift with 1 key after that. And then 9, set your power level with 1 key after that as well. Of course, all the global commands such as set frequency, play frequency are all supported. So to transmit, we press key number 1. To receive, we press the 0. If we want to turn our Vox on, it's key number 3. And to turn our Vox off, it's key 0. So key 0 turns off all transmit functions. If you press 00 twice, it will turn all the functions off, such as speech compressor, tone on, split on. So let's go ahead and show you the transmit function. First, we'll go and make sure we're in menu number 4.
Transmit.
And then we'll go ahead and press the 1 to turn on the transmitter. From here, we can hear our triple beep letting us know we're on the air. And then if we hit the 0, you'll notice the second beep, which lets you know that the transmitter is off. Triple beep on, single tone off. If we turn our Vox on,
Vox on.
okay, we can then speak and the transmitter will come on, and then we press 0 and it'll turn the Vox off. That tone lets us know all transmit functions are off. For the TS2000, at this time, we do support Vox in the RBC212, but unfortunately, the TS2000 does not support Vox on its auxiliary jack. So at this time, it is best not to use the Vox, and also unplug the microphone from your TS2000 in order to make sure that if you do turn on the Vox, ambient noise within the local QTH does not set off the Vox. Or you can turn your level all the way down on the Vox, which is also recommended. We will be coming out with a cable that will support Vox very shortly. Key 2 turns on your speech compressor.
Speech compressor on.
And then 0 followed by 2 turns it off.
Speech compressor off.
If you want to turn your tone on, press 4.
Tone on.
And if you want to turn it off, press 04.
Tone off.
Same with split.
Split on. Split off.
And then the amplifier on-off, which is the internal relay of the TS2000.
Amplifier on. Amplifier off.
If we want to enter a particular tone on this frequency, we can enter in 7 and the 2-digit tone number, which is located inside the TS2000 manual.
Tone on. Tone off.
We can also set our shift by pressing 8 and 1, 2, or 3 that represents simplex up or down.
Simplex. Up. Down.
We can also set our power level.
RF power at 25%. RF power at 50%. RF power at 75%. Full power.
So that's all your functions there. And if you want, you can temporarily, if you want to see that if your radio's functions, how they change, you can turn off the lock, which is automatically turned on when you log in via the Remote Shack. And you can go ahead and bring up the command that you want to know is changing. For instance, in this case it's power, and we can go through and enter a power command.
RF power at 25%. RF power at 50%.
And that concludes the transmit menu number 4 features.